Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So it is Friday night, August 24th. The kids and I do have to go to a Taekwondo tournament tomorrow. So we're kind of going to do so school started and I'm feeling like I'm getting back into the swing of things. I think I have a little bit of school lag. You know, you've had work week, and now you're getting ready for the kids to come. And so I'm not tired as I would be prior to starting the ketogenic lifestyle. So I think I feel really, really good. I am very busy, but I feel really good. But with that being said, sometimes when things start over, I feel like I need a refresh. So I'm going to refresh my bedroom. And I'm only going to do half the bedroom. I'm just going to maneuver my bed and my prayer chair a little bit differently. And let me show you why. So this is my bedroom. And you've seen this space many times. So this is my vanity table. Of course, it is generally my catch-all. These are books from the library, so I don't want to put them with my regular books. But do you see this? Somebody, and I'm not naming any names, pulled that down from up there. So we have to rehang the curtain. And I was thinking about the curtains. There's the other curtain. We do a double black with a panel in the middle. I just like that. But I was thinking about something. I was looking at some Facebook posts from about a year ago. And my bed, which is this way, was actually facing this way about a year ago. So the headboard here was on this wall. And I actually liked that. The only reason I moved it was because of the lamp. Because I didn't have a lamp beside the bed in case I needed to get up. And it won't fit on this side without sticking in the walkway area. But what I forgot is that I have a small lamp that is here that could work as a bedside lamp if I needed to get up in the middle of the night. And then I could move this where I keep all my study stuff on the other side of the chair and make that like a separate study area. So this nightstand is kind of presenting a slight problem for me, but I do want to change everything here. So with the curtains, what I was thinking is I wanted to put a curtain rod up here at the top of the ceiling, well, at the top of the wall, and then do like a, what is it that I'm saying? Do like a, some curtains behind the bed, and then put the bed headboard there, and then the bed. So that is what I'm going to attempt to do. I'm going to get the kids to come in and help me. And then we're just going to do overall just a general clean in here because we have not really done that. I haven't been doing the Fly Lady as of late. And then I want to take most of these pictures down and I want to create a wall here. I have another picture that I really do love that I've just not been able to use. But it is a print, and I do want to put it here, and so that when I'm filming, I'll have like something behind me for filming. So I am going to work on this space a little bit, just here, and then I will actually clean off, you know, I'll clean off this area just for cleaning purposes, and then we will, of course, rehang the curtain. Because somebody was feeling a little bit left out. And so she got angry with us and she pulled the curtain down. So right now the kids are, we just got home. It is 7:20. So we had Taekwondo and then we had to run a quick errand to Walmart. So the kids are walking the dog. And I'm going to get started by stripping the bed and pulling everything off. And then just kind of prepping for the kids to come in and help me. We do have dinner going. I'm doing some hamburgers in the oven. And after we do that, I'm only giving myself 30 minutes to do this. So pray for me. 30 minutes to get this done because I do have to get their uniforms washed for tomorrow. We actually have to go. We are going out of town tomorrow. I'm just noticing I didn't put earrings on this morning. I don't know what in the world. I wore my watch and I got my other jewelry on. I just forgot my earrings. Oh, oops, my bad. But we are going for the tournament tomorrow. So Jaxon is competing for the very first time. I guess I'm going to make this a vlog. We'll just vlog it. Call it a vlog and move forward. Jaxon is competing for the first time as a black belt tomorrow. He has competed before, but he was a lower level belt. So he is now a black belt. So he will do his first black belt tournament. He will have to spar black belts. That makes me a little bit nervous because they can have more contact than you can as a lower belt. So pray for me that I will be okay with him sparring. He will do fine on his other things, but I just get a little nervous for him with the spar. I don't like fighting. I do like self-protection, so I'm okay with taking martial arts. I just don't like the thought of fighting. So anywho, I'm gonna get started in my bedroom as far as taking things down so that when the kids come in, it's easier for them to just help me. I'm only going to take about 30 minutes because by then dinner should be done. And then we're going to get their stuff washed and anything else I have to do for prepping for tomorrow. I am going to do a little bit of food prep because we are doing keto and I have to be keto on the road. I don't find it easy to slip in and slip out, like not be keto when I'm traveling and then be keto when I come home. I'm just kind of one way as best as I can be all the way. So I need to do a little bit of prep for that. So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing over the next 30 minutes. And then I'll move into the kitchen. Probably will make a pot of coffee because I have not had any hot coffee today, which means I didn't have my bulletproof coffee this morning, but I did have some iced coffee that was really good and it actually lasted me all day. And I haven't figured out how to make it iced while using the healthy fats. I have not had a moment to sit and look at that recipe. So I may try that for tomorrow, but tonight I'm going to have a bulletproof coffee hot. And so I'm going to roll up in my room and start the process. Shh, don't tell the kids because they don't know yet that they're going to be helping me, but they will find out very shortly.
Next level.
right, you guys, so let me just say it took us longer than 30 minutes because we had some technical difficulties, but that is okay. So I did get my desk area or my vanity area cleaned off where I had all those books and stuff. Just put our chair here. I think I'm going to redo these chairs at some point. We did get the curtains put back up, but I don't have matching curtains. So I am going to have to get either another dark black panel here. So everything is cleaned. My school bag. We have vacuumed the floor. But this is where the change comes in. So before I had the bed going this way, lengthwise. Now it's going lengthwise this way. And it's because I wanted to put up this. So I was able to get the curtain hanged. Although I think I am going to have Handy Mandy come in and check it for me. Because I am not a handy person. I just understand that about myself. I am not a handy person and I am okay with that. But I really do like having the curtains there. And because of the way that I don't have the right rod up there, but I still wanted to put it up. So I've got to get a different, some end pieces that go on the rod. So I have one piece here, but it's too close here. So I'm going to get Handy Mandy to fix that for me. And I'm going to get some more pillows. Now during the fall and winter months, I do like to just keep it soft pink. And I actually didn't move the pictures off the wall just because for right now it's just I'm going to let this grow on me. But I will be changing it so that I have a gallery wall here. Just not enough time tonight. So we did put the chair here, and then we just moved the table over, the bedside table. So it doesn't look as spacious in here as it did before, but it is actually the same amount of space. So it's fine for now. I always like to do something a little bit different during a different season. Probably as soon as summer, spring and summer come back, I will change it again. But I do like this just now. So this is what it looks like when you first walk in. Of course, these books would not be here. But, this is what it looks like with the prayer chair. And then here's the bed with Jackson's little book on it. Ma'am sleeps under the bed, so she can still get under there if she wants to. But that is what it's looking like. And we just put all the things that we are not using anymore into the chest. And Jaxon put himself in the corner. Him and ma'am. So, there it is. There's kind of if you look in that mirror, you can kind of get a different view. If you can look in the mirror. I like it. I like it better with the light out. But anyway, that is what we are getting done for tonight. So, I've got a few things to get done for the kids for their tournament. I have to fix something on Alana's jacket. We do have all of the uniforms getting washed. Or no, they're in the dryer now. So it did take us a little bit long. I still have not eaten my dinner yet, but I'm going to do that right now. And that's pretty much the end of it. So thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. We are getting back into the swing of things. Starting school is definitely different than being off all summer. So we're going to try to keep our vlogs up as much as we can. The dog is laying at my feet and playing with Alana. So that's why I keep looking down like, what is happening to my foot? It's the dog. So anywho, thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel. Let us know what you think of our little refresh, and we'll see you in the next space. Bye now.